Hello, Mr. Baisab here and welcome to another one of my videos. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change a starter motor on a Mini Cooper 2002 to 2006. The starter motor is located on the back of the engine under the exhaust manifold. There's usually a heat shield covering the starter motor, but in this case it has already been removed. For safety reasons, you'll have to disconnect one of the battery terminals. Now you need to disconnect both terminals from the starter motor. One is fixed with a 10mm nut and the other one is fixed with a 13mm nut. Now I'm just showing you on this new starter motor that we just removed the terminals that goes on the solenoid of the old starter motor, and now we're going to remove the 15mm bolts that holds the starter motor in place. You need a ratchet, an extension with a flexible head and a 15mm socket. Okay, the bottom bolts removed. Now we're going to remove the top one. And once you have taken both of the bolts off, you can try and take the starter out. Just have to move it about and pull it back. And he has to come out from that little gap there. And once you've taken it out, you can compare it with the new one to make sure it's the right size. And once you've got the starter motor in place, you've tightened the bolts holding the starter, the 15mm bolts, then you can start putting the terminals back on. Then you can put a heat shield in that covers the starter motor. The heat shield actually slides in onto the starter motor on one end, and the other end is attached with a 10mm bolt. Then you can just reconnect the battery terminal. After that, it should be all done. Make sure the gear stick is in neutral if it's a manual car. Then you can just start the engine.
More videos coming soon. Like my hit, please subscribe and share.